If you're struggling with ARO, average repair order dollar amount, I'd like to offer this tip to you. This works really, really well for me and works a lot for a lot of my other clients. Is I open up a day or so old repair order, I get it out on my desk and I put it down and I look at that work order just randomly. And then I grab the multi-point vehicle inspection and I lay that multi-point vehicle inspection right down next to the work order. But before I go through this analysis, I just want you to know it's best to have your service advisor and the technician who worked on the job in front of you. But we'll look at it and we'll say, why does this car have 150,000 miles on it and tune-up's never been done, or the radiator hoses are soft, and why didn't you replace that? And did we do a battery test? Did we check the tire depth? Did we do the brakes? Did we look at all that? And if that technician did all that work and he did a really good job and he's proud of that, and it gets handed over to the service advisor, and the service advisor fails to build the estimate, present it to the customer, and mark it down as a sold item or a declined service, then now we know where our weak spot is. And if you do this on every couple weeks basis, you're going to find your ARO is going to improve dramatically.